Hey, welcome to Good Enough Spanish, where my mission is to help you learn Spanish good enough to travel more, build more confidence, and get more out of life. And in this video, let's talk about learning a new language as an adult. Learning a new language as an adult can be a challenging yet rewarding experience. Spanish, in particular, is a popular choice due to its widespread usage and cultural significance. So whether you're learning the language for travel, work, or personal development, here's some useful tips to help you on your journey to becoming proficient in the Spanish language. Set realistic goals. I know we're all busy, gotta set realistic goals. Before diving into learning Spanish, it's essential to set realistic goals. Determine what you want to learn the language for and what level of proficiency you aim to achieve. By setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals, it will give you a clear direction and motivation throughout the learning process. Immerse yourself in Spanish. Immerse yourself in the Spanish language and culture as much as possible. I want you to listen to Spanish music, watch Spanish movies, seek out any and every opportunity that you can to practice the language. Surround yourself with the language, and this will help you to improve your listening and speaking skills, as well as deepen your understanding of the culture. Utilize language learning apps and resources. There's a lot of them out there. So take advantage of language learning apps and online resources specifically designed for adult learners. Variety of platforms out there that have interactive lessons and exercises tailored to individual learning styles. Additionally, consider enrolling in an online course or hiring a private tutor for personalized instruction. Also, practice consistently. Believe me, consistency is the key when learning a new language. So dedicate a specific amount of time each day to practice Spanish, even if it's just 30 minutes a day, whether it's through vocabulary drills, conversation practice, or reading and writing exercises. By incorporating regular practice into your daily routine, you can reinforce your language skills and make steady progress along the way. Embrace mistakes and learn from them. Everybody makes mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. So don't be afraid to make mistakes when speaking or writing Spanish. It's natural. Embrace your errors, and hey, again, it's part of the learning process, and it will help you to overcome any fear or embarrassment associated with language learning. Take each mistake as an opportunity to learn and improve. And soon, you'll find yourself becoming more confident in your Spanish abilities. Seek language exchange partners. Find language exchange partners or join conversation groups to engage in meaningful conversation and dialogue with native speakers and Spanish learners. This interactive approach allows you to practice speaking in a real-life context, receive feedback, and gain insights into colloquial expressions and cultural nuances that may not be covered in formal lessons. And finally, hey, learning Spanish as an adult may have its challenges, but with dedication, persistence, and the right strategies, you can make significant progress. By setting achievable goals, immersing yourself in the language and the culture, utilizing effective resources, and embracing consistent practice, you can enhance your language learning skills and enjoy the rich experience of being able to effectively communicate in Spanish. And speaking of rich experiences, be sure to check out my other channel, Rich Experiences, and join me on my travel journeys and adventures. And until next time, remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just be good enough.